Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're at Hertz, Toronto Airport. Thanks everyone for watching, and just a quick reminder, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and give it a quick like. I'm going to start things off here with the premium upgrades. We got a 5-liter Mustang Convertible. And this is my first time seeing these in 2022. Yeah, it looks like Hertz quite often gets them with the digital dash and the optional wheels, which is nice. Got another one here from Quebec, hardtop. Again, these are premium upgrades. And we also have a Jeep Sahara Wrangler, hardtop. And it's looking, gold is looking pretty empty. Again, this is a Friday evening. Not too much in reserve down there. President Circle, we've got a Dodge Charger here. Got a Camry. Got a Ford Escape. Over here we got another Charger. There's that cinnamon stick color. Cinestick, I think they call it. And another Ford Escape. I think these are GT models. Let's just take a look again. See what they're getting in this year. It's GT. Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're back here at Hertz on a Sunday evening in President Circle, Ohio. And just a quick reminder, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, hit that like button. And we'll start things off here with Chevy Equinox. In President Circle, Ohio, we got a Ford Escape. And pretty much that's... Oh, okay, we got another Ford Escape. So we got 3 cars in President Circle. Hertz, Sunday evening. Keep in mind it's Sunday evening. Premium upgrades, we've got 2 Mustang GT convertibles. And Hertz usually gets these with the optional digital dash package, which is kind of nice. And the optional rims. I'm guessing these are probably fairly new. Alright, and then if we just, there's not much to show you here at 5-star. It's one car. Got a Mitsubishi SUV, the rest of these cars down at the end. Durango down there, those are all reserve. Gold is looking pretty empty. Got a Corolla, 2 Corollas. We've got a Hyundai, a Kia SUV, a Corolla, another Kia SUV. And Hertz is not doing a good job keeping the aisles full on that Sunday night. We got a lot of stuff in the returns. You'll probably kind of see when we come through here. So this is all returns coming in here. Actually, what's this Acura? I don't usually see Acuras in the... Oh, another TLX. It's a 300S with a spoiler and a moonroof. Actually, not much to show you for reserve, which is pretty cleaned out. Okay, so we got a Chrysler minivan. Got a Volvo XC40, a Chrysler 300S. Ford Mustang GT 5-liter. Again, these all have the digital dash, which is nice. Got a GMC Yukon, a Toyota 4Runner, got a small Kia SUV, and got this big Yukon. Must be like an extended one. Being as there's not much else to show you, why don't we just check out this Yukon? See. This is massive. It's got to be extended, isn't it? It's got to be like the XL. It's really big. Let's see if it's long. Check it. Oh, it's got moon dash. This might be about 13,000 kilometers, so it's about 10,000 miles. Lots of room in here. And there you go. Yeah. Alright, well hopefully next time we do an update from Hertz. Try and get some more footage maybe on Friday when they have some more cars around, but that's going to wrap things up for Hertz. Those cars in behind there are actually national returns. And I think that's about it. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Again, just a quick reminder, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And hit that like button if you want to see more of these videos. And I'll see you guys in the next update.